What's up everyone, it's Gabby Trades here and welcome back to the channel. Let's see what Pokemons we can catch today on the chart. That's literally the last thing I was thinking about before I opened the stream. Catch them all. You guys, make sure you check the new website of Gabby Trades. I'm really excited about it. We've been working hard on it and it's pretty dope, frankly. So I want to see everyone at the very least registered for the free Discord. And if you register, actually, you're getting your free PDF, which includes one of the important parts of the course for free, you guys. So make sure you do that. Make sure to check all the offers over here. I'm really happy that we have that, so I thought I'm going to start with that just in case everyone forgot about it. All right, cool. One more thing I forgot to do before we start is to repost that we're live on X. Always let me know in the chat box, please, backstage, if the music is too loud or if the music is good enough. Hold on, we're gonna do a quick repost over here. Let's do that. Quote. I like to add this little, yeah, and we're gonna say we're gonna say we are live. Join us now. Here we go. That's done. It's been a bit dead lately, hasn't it? Or at least for me. I don't know, like all the other crypto CTs are probably popping, but not me. I feel like it's been a little quiet. I guess people are just a bit disappointed. You know what I mean? I can understand that. Hello, yes, everyone that's here, please make sure to say hi in the chat box. Make sure to like this video before we start. Right now, get into the charts and let's see. First of all, we need to check the data. All right, so that's coming a little bit later. We got the ADP non-farm employment. That's at 63. Expectations were for 50K. Okay, so, you know, labor market's still resilient. It's looking good, right? It's looking good. Now, that might not be that great for gold, but let's see. Let's see. We're going to check everything today because yesterday we caught a really nice long on gold. It's a little bit early, but we're going to check it in a second. I'm still in that long. It's printing quite nicely. Now, let's see what's happening with Bitcoin because this is a big one today, right? Finally, we have been having a bullish bias on this since, I don't know, since down here. Pretty sure, right? So true month open rejection, that was the sell down here. Our daily SR flip zone obviously held perfectly. We developed the liquidity up here on the 12-hour and that became an immediate target for us. So we've been, now is what, is it the 4th? Yeah, so the 4th of March, we've been bullish since basically this liquidity was developed in February. Okay, yes, everyone, make sure to like this video. Make sure to share it as well so we can get more people. I just reposted on X. If you can repost my post, that would be great. That's one thing you can do. So yeah, finally we smashed the liquidity. Obviously, we knew that that's going to be the target. Not everyone knows, but the people who have the indicators, they know, right? And if you come on Gabby Trades website, our new website, gabbytrades.com, you can see the indicator bundle. You have them for 30 days for free if you want to try them. So a huge clue down here that we have this liquidity. Now we grabbed it. On a lower time frame, we had a little bit of a reaction, as you can see, this wick, but we're holding demand quite nicely because we have higher targets to reach up here. Right, we want to be targeting this high over here. We want to be targeting the daily SR flip zone. That's what it seems technically at the moment. Don't forget, we're not essentially out of this range, but what happens? Hello, good afternoon, Katsuli. What happens after a range, as per the RTM model, is we always have what? A manipulation. So in that case, whichever side price exits out of this range is going to be considered what? A manipulation. My cat is really nice today. I don't think she's gonna bother us. I don't have to lock her. That's kind of cute. Okay, so we are targeting currently 72.780. I'm long Everyone knows on Discord from where exactly I'm long. If you want to come on the free Discord, you guys also use the website. You know what to do. Now from here, 12 hourly, not too interesting. Daily is the most interesting, right? Daily is the most interesting. So you want to be watching obviously the true year open, right? First of all, we want to see what happens once we clear that high up here at 72.2 up to the daily SR flip zone at 72.780. Now, these are levels that I'm going to be watching very, very closely for Bitcoin. Yes, I love to see Diamond Eyes here. All right, so that's one level that I want to be watching very closely. Next level that I want to be watching very closely is 74.5 approximately. And then it just goes level by level by level. Like, these are my red flag zones where I'm going to be watching carefully to see if, you know, I can catch any shorts. Okay, because ultimately we're still in a bearish trend. Right, we have a very interesting extension level down here that we could potentially reverse from, but I'm not hoping for crazy things until price proves me wrong. Obviously, next week, March the 9th, we're gonna have the March price action start. Sorry. Too many languages in my head, but yeah, so 9th of March is going to be next week. Monday is going to be a little bit telling. So what I told you earlier in the pre-market update, and I hope you guys are watching, let me know in the chat box, are you watching the pre-market update? And are you guys long? I'm curious. Did you catch the move? Now, I'm sure that the RTM students are, okay? I'm sure about that. And if they aren't, big mistake. But hold on, losing my thought, and the cat's being annoying. What was I gonna say? Hello, Tommy. Yeah, so yes, March, we're starting the price action as per the RTM model in March next week. So that means we're going to have new true months open, we're going to have new true weeks open, and we're going to figure out what the sentiment is based on that. Missy, stop it. Okay. She's been treat baited. And she disappeared. Long from 64. Let's go. Crypto Love has done that. I know that's Crypto Love, million BTC 6001. All right, super chats. So you see, that's the thing, right? We're going to conclude the February price action next week. I believe I should be correct, right? I'm looking at the calendar. I should be correct. And that's that. We're looking for continuation shorts, right? Unless something really crazy happens and we manage to push price even higher. Obviously, it's going to be great. Botiv is like, he's sad about the kitty. I know, but she's fine. Don't worry, she's living her best life. So that's what we're looking at. Ethereum, 12 hourly. I think we have 4 hourly. This high. So this is current target for ETH up here right now at the daily SR flip zone. Exactly. Who's surprised? This is a daily SR flip zone from way back, right? Way back. When I say way back, we can track it to like all the way up here. So this is a zone from January 2022. Okay, like I'm not making up levels. You get these levels with the help of the liquidity indicators, and you can get them, you guys. All right, so this was the rejection up here. Retrace, we managed to find demand, and we are kind of coming up right now. 4 hourly is suggesting that this is the current target with the liquidity. You see the little dollars over here. Maybe I should fix that because I like them large, I guess. Yeah, large. So that is where price is trying to get to. Okay, so we want to be monitoring when Ethereum hits this level, 2148.48, what's going to happen to Bitcoin? Where is Bitcoin at that moment? Are we getting any suggestions that we might, you know, have a short here? Or do we have a little bit more upside? Do we potentially want to retest higher levels such as 2380? right? Do we want to retest 2,690? To be honest with you, anything above like 2,380 is going to be substantially good, right? It's going to be like, okay, maybe we have a little bit more upside. For now, until we reach that level, until we beat that level, I'm not so convinced, right? And the reality of the situation is you are bearish for Ethereum. I'm sorry for the busy chart, but we're just going to talk levels here, so it doesn't matter. The reality for Ethereum is that you are going to remain sort of in that bearish situation all the way up until like 3,290. So you understand what I'm saying? Like, this is not, it's nothing crazy happening right now. But if we manage to close above that level, happy days. Like, this is a completely different situation. Okay. You guys remember 4 months, right? 4 months. This liquidity has developed on Solana since September. Since September last year, we didn't want to believe it. The liquidity was down here. It told us it's going to happen. I didn't want to believe it. You didn't want to believe it. And this is the result here. So now we are indeed, we've taken a lot of liquidity even further down. We have this liquidity at 79 sitting down here, lower time frame. We came into the buy zone and now we're reacting. So there is some hope in, but also for Solana, you want to see price beat $140 at least, right? So this is what it is. It's simply how it is, you know. Let's check on the long gold from yesterday. Let's check on the long gold from yesterday. Yesterday was a very good day trading. We caught the short from perfect levels, and then we caught the long down here, which I'm still riding. Not such a huge size in it, but it's fine. Size is not important. You know, it is important, of course. It's very important, but to track it, like, it's not that important, right? The trade idea and the trade development is what matters most. So let's see, what are we doing currently on gold? So the closes here are very bullish, right? And the idea, if you watch the pre-market update, I kind of spoke about it already. The bounce was from the 0.5 up here. So it's kind of a right. But when you look at this leg, because you have a mini leg as well, right? That's a higher time frame leg. You have a mini leg. You can see that price is kind of reacting bearishly right now from the 0.5. Here, I can draw it for you. If you want to learn, you have a free PDF, gabbytrades.com. Here it is, the website, gabbytrades.com. Okay, you can get your free PDF just by registering to learn that. But the point is, right, it is a bearish leg. So what do we teach about this, right? You have a bearish leg. You still always need to be focused on that bearishness that you've had until you've been proven otherwise, right? So it's highly possible that this might fail, right? Higher time frame is obviously stronger than lower time frame. So lower time frame is telling you, hey, maybe I'm not strong enough. I'm rejecting at very important levels, but higher time frame is telling you, hey, I'm totally fine because I just rejected from the most important level down here in a bearish leg, right? Because this was the bearish leg higher time frame. Hold on. Bearish leg higher time frame, right? And what happened? Well, you beat the 0.5, you see? So this is the difference. Let's draw it. So higher time frame essentially is this right now. You sold at the 0.786, of course, it's always going to be a sell zone. That's the model. But the difference between the higher time frame and the lower time frame leg is that at the lower time frame, you're currently like here and you're trying to reject a little bit. You're not finding too much strength to continue down, but this is what you're doing right now. So higher time frame is stronger at the moment, which honestly, if this continues to work, I'm going to hold this. And even though it's small size, this is going to pay very, very well if we actually exit +1, which is going to be plus 5,600. Anyways, just call it new all-time high for gold. All right, super chats. Silver's been a little strong today. I like it. I like it. This is the current leg on silver. This is the current leg. we haven't really on silver, we haven't really reached 0.5, so I'm not yet inclined to short it that much. Yes, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. Everyone, please, that's actually very important, and I always forget to ask, but we need to do it. In terms of today's sniper trades, hold on. Yes, that's so correct. High time frame is always stronger. Let's open the MetaTrader here so we're ready as usual. If I can find it. So for some reason I can't type, but now I can. MT5, here we go. All right, nice in profit, and we just need to be ready to push the trigger. So, all right, cool. Exactly. So higher time frame is always stronger. Most important to look at. Let's start on the 15-minute here. See what's happening. Price action wise, so obviously, right, this move down was, you know, came in with quite a bit of strength. This hasn't come with substantial volume in it, so it's quite dangerous. And of course, when you build up liquidity like that, you're gonna clear it, and then you're gonna continue in the intended direction, which is potentially happening right now because New York, I'm here and in a bad mood. What happened, Dori? I actually didn't check Discord. What happened with your trade? Because you were long. 1 minute time frame, weren't you? You were long after the liquidity sweep down here. Yeah, probably because of that. Because basically what happened was he reported the liquidity sweep on Discord, which I'm thankful because I have to do so many things before I start a stream and like blah, 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 and other stuff. But, the thing is, like, he spotted the 1 minute liquidity. Price was trading up here already. So we confirmed that price is going to chase that liquidity, and then he managed to grab the buy. We had the buy formation down here and he entered long, but I think what he did was he put his stop loss to break even because he entered and he told me, I'm going back to work, so I'm gonna put it at break even. I was like, okay, fine. 5160, and he was wicked out at break even, and he missed on quite a bit. So not very nice. I understand that. It's understandable, but it happens, dude. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's look at 3 minute. We have double liquidity formation. Clear it up. Let's look at the sessions a little bit here. Yeah, Monkey Van. Yeah, for sure, you guys. For sure. It happens all the time, but you can't beat yourself up. Like, Dottie, you need to remember also, you literally not long ago you started trading forex and gold, like, and you've been killing it, bro. Like, don't forget that. You've been doing so great. We're holding true day open. That's quite bullish. And then I want to track back, actually, if we can see it with the indicator. I need to speak to Lux Algo about these indicators. I keep forgetting. So that's your true day, and then you have, yeah, that's bullish. We're good. We're chilling. But Dodgy, don't worry. We'll find another entry. Just let us cook. We're doing it every day. We'll continue doing it. Hold on. When I try to focus a little bit, this is what happens. So basically what I wanted to see here quickly is the volume session. So I want to understand a little bit how everything's been trading. So this is the short that we called yesterday in the New York session, and then this is the long that we called. We're still writing that. I am. New York mini, nothing burger. Tokyo expanded a little bit. London manipulated, continued, and New York is collecting a little bit of liquidity down and now trying to push back up. It's respecting demand on the 15. I like that. This is indeed kind of a sell zone over here, so I can see why price is rejecting. You see how it tried one time down here? No, we need the liquidity, we don't need the sessions. So this up here, right, you can see it on the 15-minute with the help of Gabby Trade's indicator. That's an SR flip zone on the 15-minute from earlier New York afternoon session yesterday. Right? Yes, correct. So you can see how price broke through that level quite substantially, left a gap, continued up. This is lower time frame, and then we kind of felt, oh, actually, this is not yesterday. This is last week, dude. Oh my God, what am I talking about? Okay, so last week, Thursday, everyone make sure to like this video. We're holding that level right now. Okay, so that's good. I want to see if we continue to hold that level, that's going to be quite bullish. If not, we're probably screwed. So let's see what happens. Currently, that's 15-minute. Let's look at the 10-minute real quick. Let's look at the 10-minute, 5-minute. Bit of weakness down here. I mean, obviously, we're gonna get more reports. ISM services is going to be important as well. It's going to be definitely important. Bit of a chop today, huh? Let's see. We have current target down here. I'm not gonna chase it right now. Because it's kind of holding. It usually should just drop and take it, right? So I don't want to. Let's just wait and see. We're gonna have the rest of the indicators. By the way, it's still early, right? We have a bit of time. But we need to tune in with price and understand what's happening before the big dogs arrive, so we can understand what their intention is, right? That's what we do every day. Meanwhile, we can also check at S&P 500. All right, finally trading above the zone. That's kind of bullish. I don't care. Oh my God. Like, when people text me, I'm like, don't text me. And when nobody's texting me, I'm like, why is nobody texting me? Oh, I would never understand what's going on. So that liquidity has been smashed up here pretty quickly. 6969, one level. 6839, that's on the 4-hourly. Let's check real quick what's happening with the actual 4-hour. So we just sweep that fractal. We haven't closed a body down here. This is actually a strong zone, so we're wicking quite substantially. We're not closing any bodies below the low here. I guess we're just gonna keep dancing in that huge range until they decide to take us out. 0.236 Nasdaq, always a buy zone. Hello, Captain JJ. Everyone, make sure to like this video before you forget. So yeah, technically we're still in a buy zone. We had the sell from here. Now we're back down here. Price is reacting. It's just chopness, ugly. Silver. Let's look at silver real quickie. 79 was a good zone. We beat 83.9. That was the target for that. So that's achieved now. Good job. Pulling back. I'm not really buying that pullback at the moment. Depends though. Depends. Right? Definitely a zone that we broke out down from. And we made new local lows down here, so definitely, not an area to not take seriously. So for anyone that was early on the charts, I think Boruto. Waiting on my coffee. Oh, coffee sounds so good right now. Remember when we used to smoke cigarettes and drink coffee? It was so good. Now nobody does it anymore. Only people that are still backwards, in my opinion. Like, what I think vaping is now the thing. I don't know what people are doing. I'm not doing any of these things. Now we need to evaluate. Clearly there is some demand in that wick down here, so price could find some support. Okay, 3 minute, we have even a lower target down here. So do I want to look for a short here? That's the question. Do I want to look for a short? Let's see. We have to wait it out a little bit. Get some more clarity on the situation. But how's everyone doing? Besides JJ getting his coffee. That 3 minute is gonna be annoying down here. Yeah, it's probably gonna go for it, to be fair. A very weak low. Yeah. So you see that low down here? If you look at that and kind of like where price reversed, you probably have a case to look for a similar thing down here on the 5 minute. Let's see. Shorted silver near 86. Yeah, not a bad shot, not a bad shot. Yeah, they might bring it back to retest true day open down here because too weak, this price action up here. For now. We never know what these guys have in mind at the top floor, you know? We never know. Sitting in the car eating lunch. Oh, real Ellie. Hello. Ananta 86. Yeah, so far so good, to be fair. Not a bad catch at all. We just have to be a little bit patient here. It's New York AM after all. Look at what they're doing, right? They just start off, sell off, send it back up, send it back down. It's just a lot right now. But Doji had a brilliant catch up here with that manipulation move down. So very, very nice. Obviously extremely tricky, right? Before Wall Street opens. You gotta be taking what you can. So nothing to be annoyed about, but yeah, this low is probably gonna be targeted right now. Pesto pasta, typical Italian. What do you expect? Oh my, I had so much pizza last night. I still have. I had for lunch as well. Let's see what they're gonna do, these New Yorkers. Yep. It's gonna be a mini reaction over here. Now that's probably going to be a case. Yeah, it would make all the sense in the world if they stop it down here. But before that, I'm not sure. Here's your reaction. Nine o'clock. 9 o'clock. Do not scam us at 9 o'clock. This is what happens, right? Yesterday, same thing. I was like, oh my god, did I miss the trade? 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And then what do you know? You didn't miss anything. Do you think they will sweep 70.2 on BTC before 70.2? You mean for a continuation higher? I mean, the level that I'm looking at, this actually 70.3, not 70.2. But the way it's trading right now, it doesn't seem like they're keeping price above demand. There is a little bit of supply above, but it's kind of looking steady at the moment. You're bullishly engulfing here on the 30 minute. All of liquidity grab, kind of like grinding slowly high up, but this is, you know, really the only case that I would have for a short here potentially would have been at the a 12-hourly liquidity, but I didn't do that because look at the move, like it's not worth it. It has more work to the upside because, you know, somebody has to manipulate out of this range eventually, right? So I think now is probably the best time. So then next week we can start looking for some other reversal scenarios, right? So yeah, we still have the long running, which is good. Let's see if we can catch any scalps today. Dottie kind of needs to go back to work exactly when we are most likely to find a trade. Yep. $10 o'clock. In 1 hour, they're gonna drop the services PMI. 10 up here. So that's like an hour from now. But I'd like to be in a trade before that, like another one besides the long that we're already in. Oh, you delayed it? Oh, that's so funny. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna drop that, because this is here the reaction, right, that we were expecting here from this mini leg. Ooh. Oh, this is kind of nice, actually. With bearishly reacting here on the 15 seconds, so let's see. Bit of a salad at the moment. So platinum, palladium's up today. Nasdaq up a little bit, Russell up a little bit. Okay, Russell's up. That's good to know. Nikkei's up a little bit after drop down so nastily. Nvidia is down, so tech's definitely not doing great today. Let's look at strategy. Yeah, what a banger. Strat. What a nice tap into our level, now trading above the weekly SR. 150, 152 rejection areas. Let's see. Let's see. They're probably happy to see price up a little bit. Finally. You know. They've been in the gutter quite nastily. Oh, look at that 1 hourly. We're just filling the wick. Good, 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 good. Holding the 15 minutes. We just opened it 6 minutes ago. Circle. Yeah. Pretty crazy, actually. Is Circle going to save Ethereum? Yeah, pretty crazy moves here. In the last couple of weeks. Not a joke. 60% move. Serious business. Serious business. In from 80. Good job, good job. Is your son giving you institutional signals? We can't get much out of this before we see something major, right? Something major. This is a huge chop. Long, like even if you longed down here, taken out at break even, retest back again, like it's just too much. Too much going on. Trading in between levels, even on a 15-minute, like see level above 5,200, level below 5,166. Can't break above. Broken below, holding the level. Broken above, broken below, holding the level. Kind of right now. Market Watch, let's see what Market Watch has to say. Violent stock market swings are sending a message about the Iran conflict. Yeah, no joke. What do you guys think about this whole thing? Do you think that it's gonna kind of disappear anytime soon, or what are your thoughts on it? Do you think we're gonna escalate? Dot is winking. We got some big moves yesterday. Let's see if price is gonna be giving today, or is it gonna wait for the ISM? That's the question. ISM services PMI. Expectation is 53.5. So that's gonna be like a little bit less than the previous. So not too bad. If we get a little bit of conflicting data, like, it's not gonna be the worst thing in the world right now, to be honest. Possibly should have shorted it up here, but it's okay. We wait a little bit more for volatility to kick in. What else? Bitcoin's holding levels. Everyone liked so far. Everyone, don't be greedy. Hello, Nikhil. Waiting for my coffee to kick in. That's so funny. JJ. No, but we're good. I'm happy with my positioning right now, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, right? Like, I'm long Bitcoin from our zones. We've got so many trades on this. Like, it's fine. We're long down from the levels. We know we have a target. At least the RTM students, of course, because they need to know the model. I'm long gold from down here, like literally the sniperest entry. Actually, I could have made the entry even more sniper, not gonna lie, because this is down here, our level. This is the 0.5, so I should be like, I should have been in like literally 4999, but I'm in like 5012 or something. 5012. I can tell you exactly. Hold on. Yeah, 5012.71. So, you know, I just don't want to backtrip the whole thing. It's going to be a bit annoying if that happens, because it's quite tricky. I would have liked yesterday for price to drop a little bit more, at least to 4982, but it didn't happen. So is it going to happen today? Like, that's the question. And then we have more liquidity to the downside, so that is scary, you know? So yeah, I should have probably hedged up here, but that's fine, especially knowing that we have the 3-minute liquidity. That's okay. Here it is. Look at the liquidity draw. It's insane. You guys, make sure to check gabbytrades.com. Get the indicators where you're going to see the liquidity. You have them 30 days for free. Whatever strategy you're trading, is important to have them, you guys, just to see the weak lows, weak highs, the SR flip zones. It's important. It's a multi-time frame indicator. I don't know what else to tell you. Yep, this would have been a good short. It's fine. It's fine. Same thing every day, right? Same thing every day. I open the charts and I'm like, I want to wait a little bit, but here's the trade. I don't take it. And then I take a trade later, but it's fine. It's just a bit annoying, you know? We need one to warm up though. They really improve your entries. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, that was kind of a nice level here to tap into a little bit for a long, but we have the liquidity below, so. Gabby, make up your mind. This is gonna be a slow grind to the 5-minute liquidity. Like, what are you waiting for, gold? Oh, we have 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and we gotta think of potential entries here. Yeah, well. Oh well. Manipulation after manipulation after manipulation. What's happening to oil? The Iranians are like, oil is gonna get to $200. Are we going to fill the gap, or... Yes, everyone hit the like. Yeah, kind of crazy, the liquidity on oil that we have, but $200, like, it's gonna push it a little bit. Like, that's like one of these guys, I don't know, calling for 20,000 Ethereum by the end of 2025, which obviously never happened, but you know what I mean. You understand, right? Yeah, this was a good long. I should have dipped. Should have dipped in the long, should have dipped in the short, but I didn't. We wait. Not the perfect formation here anyways. Oof. Push it a little higher, let's see. It doesn't want to. So essentially this is Asia low, is it? Or yeah, this is Asia low down here. We've sniped the highs at Asia, retrace a little bit. Oh, I had this on. That's crazy. How many likes do we have? Let's see real quick. I'm gonna inspect you. How many likes do we have? 32. Good job. Let's make it 33. Yes. Yeah, I'm still bullish on gold. High time frame is high time frame, right? Like, I need to be following high time frame. Low time frame can be tricky. Holding the 15-minute support right now. Little 1-minute entry here long. Not bad. Let's see, it might fail completely. Bitcoin spiking up here above the highs. Oh, that's a swing for me, so I'm not worried at all. 72267. Need to monitor that level. Hi Levi, how are you? Have you checked the new Gabby Trades website? I'm so proud of it, you guys. I didn't think we can do such a good job on it. How much longer is this going to take? Like, I'm just... One like from me, Gab. Thank you, Maku. I want to see the liquidity grab. I want to see the liquidity grab. Come on. Jesus Christ. Where is the volume, dude? Come on. Okay, good. Because I got in here a little bit for a tiny one. No. Stop it. Actually, 516939. Five one six nine three nine. Modify. All right, not bad. Very tiny because I'm really unconfident in this, so I'm just running like very tiny positions real fast, like just here. Are you waiting on gold to drop? I'm already long gold. I just shorted it right now a little bit. Stop move to break even. So essentially my entry is 5169. 516939. Like here. And I'm at break even at the moment, so let's see if it's going to give a little bit more. But I want to target this liquidity down here. Oh, you're in shorts? Good, good, good. Yeah, we're long. I'm long. I took the long yesterday live down here. So I'm still holding that position, and I have this, but no, it's gonna... Is it gonna take me at break even? Come on, dude. Run it up. Run it down is what I mean. I picked up a small parcel. Yeah, good, good, good. Let's see, New York is gonna start waking up. It's probably gonna take me out at break even at this point. Yeah, most probably. Let's see, you never know. We have the liquidity down here. That'll be nice if it happens. Not bad, not bad. I just want to participate. Like, we kind of saw the short like up here, but I wasn't ready. I need a little bit of time, right? We saw the short, we saw the bounce down here, but it just takes a little bit of warm up. Are the Wall Street dogs gonna send it down, or are they gonna take us out at break even? I'm not picking up partials because this is ridiculously small sizing that I have, but it's still good. Still from a good place. Yeah, it's not bad. See, we're running a little bit more here. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Come on, come on. Send it to the liquidity, please. Don't play with us. Oh, I have a feeling we're gonna be taken out at break even. It's fine though, because the long is gonna run. But we do want to make some on the short as well, please, if we can. Nope. Still in. The New York manipulation, a game of nerves. I mean, honestly, it is huge. It is a huge game of nerves. They're just gonna screw around a little bit. Like, we know you want to grab that liquidity. Come on. You want the low. You want it. Four minutes, everyone. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Subscribe if you're new here. Welcome. This is Gabby Trades. We do all kinds of trading. I'm probably one of the few traders that is doing everything, like crypto, stocks, indices, gold. I do whatever the vibe is. I trade whatever the market is kind of popping. I think my huge mistake was that I started getting involved a lot. Like, obviously I was expecting for us to have a good run in crypto, but that didn't happen. So that was a bit of a waste of time. But is it really? Because we have this beautiful YouTube channel and we can hang out together and trade together and learn from each other. Insider trading. Have you seen my new website, gabbytrades.com? It's so amazing. Make sure to check it out. Oh, are we gonna get taken out at break even? Yes, it looks like it. It's so annoying. So annoying. Incredibly annoying. Come on, New York, you know you want it. No. Okay. I took one eval account on, yeah, I'm out at break even. Damn it. So essentially we must have been here. So if they take us now at break even and run it down, I'm gonna do a Dottie 2.0. I'll be very pissed, you know? So they better run it up right now because we have the long running, so. Dude, don't do that to me. I mean, I can't believe how exactly precisely to the tick we're taken out, you know? To the tick. To the tick, dude. Okay, now I'm feeling Dottie's pain and I'm annoyed. So they better run it up. All right, let's see what's happening here. Can you send me the video thumb, please? I hadn't seen it on the website. Thanks for sharing. Can you send me the video thumb, please? I hadn't seen it on the website. I don't know what that means. What is the video thumb? Dude, look. They scammed me right now. They literally Thumbnail да го споделя. You mean my thumbnail? Like the YouTube thumbnail and stuff? Oh my god, stop. Hold on. Oh, screw that. Hold on, I'll send it to you. I'll send it on your IG. I almost exposed everything on my IG. Messages. Insider. Oh no, wrong thumbnail. Hold on, I was about to send you the one from the pre-market update. So this thumbnail is this one. There you go. Thank you, scammers. Longs are printing. Let's go. Now, are we gonna find another short entry here, or what's happening? 5177. Yeah, that's a good one. 5177 is a good one. Okay. Oops. I mean, I guess not anymore. Volatility is back, you guys. So they're probably going to start chasing that liquidity finally now. What is Bitunic saying? 72k Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Send it. Yes. Longs are printing. Love it. Oh my god. Look at that. Let's go. T. All right. Everything's perfect, right? Long is running on gold. Long is running on Bitcoin. I can't be happier. You cannot catch me happier. This is at my happiest right now. Even though the short was taken out right now at break even, that's fine. Look at that. 3-minute double liquidity. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Run foreign. I didn't mention that I have a long of 50.41. No, you didn't. You did not mention that. You missed that, Dodgy. I don't want to short it right now. The guys are coming with a lot of strength, so I'm just going to keep the long that I have here. And see what happens. We do have double liquidity here on the 3 minutes. 5 minutes just singular to the downside. Boys, is that a short signal right now? New York's coming in strong. Let's go. Print the longs. Come on. BTC, I'm long since February 9th. Good job. Good job. You're holding. I'm mostly like in and out, but I do hold a little bit longer, you know? Oh, there's no way you're gonna run it down from here now. Come on. It's just ridiculous. I still think they might take it down for liquidity and then let it fly. What's your idea? Like, how low do you think? All right, holding the front here. That's good. Come on, send it, send it, send it. They don't want to send it. Why? You got taken out from your short, right? You must have, because it was at 5177, so it's okay. It's not time to short it. Not yet, at least. I don't want to short it here. What is this? Double topping here. London low at 5145. Yeah. I agree. I'm actually looking at around 5140. Let's see. Should have given it a short here. Why didn't I do it? Dotty. 937 dudes and Judases. I guess we gotta wait it a little bit because double liquidity formation on the 3-minute. And thankfully, we're nicely positioned long from the bottom. Bitcoin's retracing a little bit. We sniped the high. Let's see what happens here. Did we touch the daily SR? Not entirely. Not entirely. So this is indeed a liquidation candle up here. You can see it in the total delta. Absorbing though. Absorbing the negative delta so far. Walking back. Oh, okay. Gold was a sell, wasn't it? Yep, up here. That's fine though. It's okay. That was a tiny little buy here. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Yep. Let's see if this is going to hold up here. Yes, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. Give it some strength. Come on, give it some strength. All right, good. All right, nice. Because I dipped my toes here a little bit. 5172. Oh. $18. Oh, 5172. What? How come am I still in? Oh, it's probably the chart is different. Because I'm still in right now. No, I'm out. How? Oh, okay, yeah. It's moving a little faster. Okay, cool. Hit the like and subscribe. Aw, thank you, Monkey Van. Top of the morning. He's so good. Broad location services. He always wakes up and joins the stream. I love that. All right, so this is a salad at the moment. Like, I feel like whatever I do, I'm gonna be taken out at break even. How long is running though? Still not too bad. Maybe they're waiting for the news in like 18 minutes. The services. Which one is it gonna be? Which liquidity is gonna go first? Let's check at Bitcoin. Oh, darn it. All right, massive. This is big. Let's see what happens. This 15-minute candle is now not absorbed anymore. Pretty bearish. Yep, quite a lot of volume in it. Let's see how it closes, but yep. 52, that's a retest. Hold on, let's watch this. It's just very annoying because it has barely touched the daily SR flip zone. So if it starts dropping from here, I'll be kind of annoyed. I would like it to push a little bit more though. Let's see what it does in the point of control. Two more likes, everyone. Oh, Northern Cali. Let's look at what's happening with gold. It is holding the 15-minute though. It is holding it, so good for the longs. But big salad at the moment, big salad. Thank you, Monkey Van. I'll see you tomorrow, mate. Everyone's gonna get on with their day. We still have the 5-minute liquidity down here, and we're also monitoring Bitcoin, aren't we? We're still bullishly reacting though. Like I'm not convinced then that's a bullish reaction here. Not convinced yet. If we start seeing like you know, price starting to reject from here, then maybe I'll think about it. But the fact that this candle is holding this level, that's not bearish yet for me enough. Yeah, definitely not. Oof. All right then. Thank you. Finally. Like how many shorts did we have to get taken out on break even before it took our target? Like how many? How annoying is this, dude? How annoying is this? Anyways. Let it go, let it go. 5176, good dodging, good job. Yeah, it took like 6, I don't know how many, 2, 3 shorts that got out at break even, so I'm kind of pissed off right now. $5144, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense because this could be a reversal point down here. Let's watch it though. Let's watch it. Whoa, look at that, crypto fart. Haven't seen you in a while, mate. How are you doing? I kind of want to dip long, but not yet. Not yet. It's at a nice level, but I kind of wanted it to go a little bit lower. You close. Probably good. Probably good thing you did that, because this was like a nice buy zone, but let's see. Because we're probably gonna head for the liquidity above now, but let's see. Maybe they take it down a little bit more to where I want it to be. Because this was your level, right? 5144, so yeah, not bad. Catch you all later. Dodgy. See ya. Oh, I'm getting nervous here. Because I didn't come down here in this long, but that's fine. I'm good, thank you. Yeah, it's been kind of quiet, not gonna lie. Everyone's very disappointed with crypto nowadays. Oh, Missy's freaking out. She's screaming right now. Mom, open the door. It's time for my dinner soon. She's so funny like that, I'm telling you. Let's mark this level here because I want to watch it. I'm not ready to press the buy yet. Not ready. But you see how everything works? Our liquidity is always targeted. This is even before New York opened. We knew it. We knew it. We knew it. Is this gonna be like another scam right now? Because I'm annoyed. Hopefully it's just a trap. Basically, my goal is New York high from yesterday. Yeah, let's see. But you're in 144. I think they might bring it back, retest that low down here. That would be ideal for me, and then I won't regret kind of going in. If I do it right now, I'd probably regret. So and if not, it's okay because I'm already long from the lows, so it's fine. It is possible. Yeah, it is. It is kind of possible, but look, they're ranging it right now. They might just, you know, you're printing kind of bullish engulfing right now on the 15-second. 1 minute is still unsure, so they'll probably send it one more down. Let's see. Yeah, there is in like 7 minutes. You're right, there's also news. And with the news, 1 minute is dangerous for me because I can't put the stop loss immediately, you know? So what I do is like I have a small account, you know, like I don't have like $10,000 in my account. I have a small account because as soon as I enter, if something happens and if volatility kicks in while I'm in a 15-second, 1 minute entry, I can lose everything, you know? So essentially what I do is I have as much in the account that I'm like comfortable with losing, which is right now like $1,000, right? Because more than that for me, it's like, okay, that's not good. So that's what I do. $1,000 account, then when you make the wins, you just withdraw, you keep it 1,000, but you don't grow it like that, because 1 minute entries are very hard, right? Like with one candle they can take out your entire account just before you manage to put your stop loss in. So you gotta keep that in mind. You have to take that into account. That's what I do all the time. So yeah, so there is news, and it's gonna come. It's like 6 minutes from now. So if they don't take the low here anytime soon, entering with the news, you know, it's 50-50. Either gonna be too good or too bad. So all right, cat's freaking out. Let me just get her. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Were you annoyed? Say meow. Did you guys hear the meow on the on the microphone? Oh my god. Are you happy now? No? You're still pissed off? All right, 4 minutes to the ISM. Four minutes to the ISM. Here we go. Let's see. The problem is that we have the strong news supporting the hold on, let me just dip here. All right, I'm in. Now this is gonna be very fast. So I'm in. I need to modify 514178. All right, so I'm in at the level. Let's see. They might take me out, obviously. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you... No. You just took me out, dude. You can't run without me right now. You can't do that to me. I can't enter right now anymore because it's too risky. What? Okay. All right, that's fine. At least we have the other long, so I'm not pissed off entirely, but still, like, the entry was kind of sniper, you know? What? Stop it. Stop it right now. This is the moment where I'm like, I have a swing long and I wanted to run, but I don't want it to run because it took me out at break even, you know? But it's too risky. I cannot not be at break even on the 1 minute, 2 minutes before the news. Like, that's just not how things work. I could potentially dip in here, but no, we're waiting. This is the level, dude. One minute. This is so annoying considering my entry was like literally here at the wick. Excuse me, miss. Can I help you? You're gonna get your food in a little bit. Let's see if we can catch an entry here. Oof, here it is, news. Come on, do I need to refresh? 56.1 beating. Damn. Dollar is also at level. Oh, this hurts. This hurts, you guys, because that was the entry. That was the entry, dudes and Judases. I literally got sniped here at this candle. This is so annoying. It's fine though. It's important we have the swing long running. But another long would have been nice, you know? Like... with one candle, if I could just... But I guess it's also the spread, you know? So... it was a little bit like that, but damn. Yep. T T T T T T T T T T T. At least we have the level sniper, right? Like that's important. Just this little candle, dude. This little shit down here. Look at it. 5141. That was literally my entry down here. I entered. I managed to get in on the wick, and it took me out at break even. Look at that. Look at that. That would have been a good catch. For hour is bearishly engulfing right now. Let's see. But this is an important level, right? It is an important level. So they better hold it. Yep. My god, what a sniper entry, dude. Like, why did I put my stop loss? Yeah, obviously because of news. It is what it is. What's happening to Bitcoin? 71800. Oops. This is at our level. Let's see. Rejection, wick fill. Potential short here. Face ID. Missy, stop it. Bluffin. No, that's Bitfinex. Yes, meow back. Meow back. So I'm 110% on the Bitcoin long. That's good. And I just shorted as well, because it's reacting bearishly from the PO point of control, POC. So let's see. Although, you know, it kind of looks like it might hold, but let's see. In my opinion, it's worth to hedge here, just in case. Let's see what gold is doing. Sniper long, dude. Sniper long. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Absolute winners in the house. We've been waiting for this level since the beginning of the New York session. Do you understand how important it is for you guys to have the indicators? Do you understand that? If you don't understand that, I cannot help you, and you're not to be helped. Like, you just, you know, there is no way. Look at the SR flip zones. We knew that. With the help of the indicators, we knew that this is the area. Why? Because we had the liquidity before New York opened. We grabbed it. We knew it was a short to grab the liquidity, and we knew that price is going to bounce from 5140 from the beginning of times. So Rokia Hafe, hello, nice to have you here. I want everyone that's new here to check the website, gabbytrades.com. Also in the description box, this is where you can find the indicators that I'm just talking about right now. This is where you can get the premium RTM access. I don't know why I named it premium RTM Discord. It is a Discord, but you also get the full RTM methodology education. I scanned the code. Yeah, you can scan the code if you want. I haven't changed the codes yet. Yeah, you can scan the code for the RTM. You still can for sure. Ideally go on the website. So it's in the description box, or Stanimir is actually putting the links in the chat box as well of gabbytrades.com, but I don't know where he went. So see, that long would have been that much anyway. I see we had a second opportunity here, and I'm explaining about the website. Oh. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I don't reply to DMs. I don't know who you send a DM to. Okay? Beware of scammers, because where are you sending a DM? Where? Like... WhatsApp? You think you're gonna have my WhatsApp? Genuinely, you think I'm gonna give my followers my personal number on WhatsApp? I don't have a WhatsApp group. I don't have a Telegram group. The only thing you can find is my official Discord at gabbytrades.com. Are we clear? Because of you, dude, I just missed another entry. I want you guys to be super careful. These comebacks, hey, don't get zoomies now, okay? No, you don't have to be sorry. I'm just saying, be careful, okay? Be careful. You need to understand that when you're on YouTube, your privacy is like of utmost importance. You know, there is no WhatsApp groups or anything like that. I'll never give my number. I would never use capital of anyone. I've been, oh my God, were you also on TikTok yesterday telling me how you've been... Guys, you know what's really funny? Sometimes the scammers are going to pretend that they've been scammed so they're hoping for some sort of refund or something. It's actually crazy. So I'm really, really sorry. If you've been scammed, you just need to protect yourself and look at the right links. Because it's insane. Like, it's crazy. That's why I came here on the live. Well, how did you get in touch with these people? Like, that's just crazy. You know what I'm scared of? I'm scared of that these people are actually coming to talk on the live and ask me questions because they want me to say stuff, so then they can use AI to kind of generate whatever they want. So Stanimir, please, if you're here, I don't know where you are. Let me just text. He's probably smoking cigarettes. Dude. Oh, I missed my entry right now. This is insane. Thank you, Stanimir. This is the thing, you know, they're trying to do. Like, they're just like, they're trying to get you to say stuff so then they can go and AI generate some... It's terrible. And on top of everything, he just made me miss my second entry. Like, I'm so pissed right now. I think so too, but I want to have the best entry. Like, I don't want to just enter in the middle of nowhere, you know? It's just dangerous right now. 1 hour looks horrible. Yeah, very, very dodgy. No, that doesn't look very good. All right, should we give it a go? What am I doing on Bitunix? Let's look on the 15-second. All right, so I'm in 514126. Five one four one two six. Come on, run, 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 run. Modify position. All right, so I'm back at break even. Not back, I mean, I've put my position at break even. It's currently running at 514126. So let's see if they're gonna take us out. Yeah, I'm out. Another break even. Too choppy, dude. All right, break even. It doesn't seem like it's holding anymore, so I don't want to play with it anymore. It might run, honestly, like it is at support, so they're just gonna chop the hell out of us. They're trading way below the 50, the equilibrium here as well at this point. No, they're actually reacting to it. Thank you, Steinmer. I forgot to say thank you because you're busy. I know you are. Yeah, not good. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing. All right, it's returned a little bit, trading above. Not too bad. Honestly, this is okay because we're reacting bullishly to it. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, too weak, dude. Too weak. I should have kept the sell up here. All right, everyone. I think that I've had enough because we've been here for 1 hour 45 minutes getting break-evens after break-evens, so I'm kind of annoyed, and I'm just gonna go chill and we'll monitor if there is anything. For now, I don't trust it yet. Not yet. small transfer from gold to BTC. Yeah, I guess. Although CNBC, it is kind of like arguing that they're not very crypto savvy. Damn it. Yeah, there's no way you can get me by under the level here. Like, no. It is holding like a previous area of interest, so this could be it, really. But I'm already long, so I'm not really phased right now. Too many break-evens. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. Make sure to like this video if you haven't. Make sure to check the Gabby Trades website. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? Because we have one more stream. Today is Wednesday. We have Thursday. Some more news on the table. On Thursday, we have just unemployment claims. The big one is going to be Norm Farm employment change on Friday. Let's see if they're going to revise any numbers. This is going to be huge. Thank you so much, you guys. Appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.